Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Hamilton Beach 1.7 liter glass electric kettle. I'm making this recording mid-July 2022, and the price on Amazon, the last time I checked, was $34.99. However, I picked this up at Target for a little bit more money, I wasn't aware, for around 42 bucks. But you could find it on Amazon for $34.99 as I record this. So this is going to be a brief video. I'm going to get right into it. Basically, all I'm going to show is how long it takes to complete a pot for both the max and minimum water levels. Both hot and cold water. I'll be starting with cold water. Let's take a look at the unit. To open, you just squeeze the two levers on the side, or these two buttons rather, and she pops right open. The glass is a little thin. And it is glass, by the way, so just be careful with it. To look at the base. The power cord actually stores underneath the base. And the cord is 2 feet long. Approximately 2 feet long. Okay, first run. So max line, 1.7 liters cold water. And by the way, never go above the max, because it will just boil over onto the table, because this does get up to a nice rolling boil, and they don't want you to go below the minimum line either, which once again is 0.5 liters. And to turn it on, there's a lever at the bottom of the unit. You just press that down. Okay, so it's just about boiling, and that took about 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And it'll automatically shut off. Okay, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. It'll boil for about a good 10 seconds or so, then it'll automatically shut off, as you just saw. Also, in the event if you just want to get it back up to a boil, you just press it down and she starts right back up. You could also turn it off manually just by flipping the switch up. And be careful, because this is a little flimsy. So be delicate with this. Be gentle. Let's see how it pours. So now we're going to test the cold water with the minimum water level. Alright, so that took about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, max water level, hot tap. Let's go. My hot water, my tap, by the way, is about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's our starting point. So that took, using the hot water, 135 degree Fahrenheit starting point, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. So around 3 minutes less than the cold water. Right now, hot water using the minimum water level, last test. And that took just under 2 minutes. Started boiling around the minute and 40-second mark. So there you have it. I'll put the results up on the screen, that way you could see it. And that's going to conclude this video. Guys, I thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. Hope it was helpful for anyone looking to get this specific kettle. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a like. Give it a share. That definitely does help the channel out as a whole. Please subscribe for more, and I will catch you in my next one.